Welcome to my channel. Today, I will be talking about Coinbase. You see, as Coinbase Global decides to go public via direct listing and forgo the traditional public offering process known as IPO, question is why? Well, I carry out some research and the result is very interesting and revealing. Contrary to what many people know and understand. So grab a cuppa, of course, a cup of tea. Subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, let me quickly tell you about the company profile. Coinbase Global. The cryptocurrency exchange was founded in 2012 and allows users to buy and trade decentralized tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Compound, Litecoin, etc. The company has raised well over $540 million in funding as a private company. You see, Coinbase has grown to become the largest digital currency exchange in the US, perhaps in the world. Today, more than 43 million people in over 100 countries trust Coinbase to buy, sell, store, and use, earn cryptocurrencies. That said, to inform you before now, on December 17, 2020, Coinbase management announced the company intention to go public via IPO. The company submitted a draft registration statement on Form X-1 with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, known as SEC, to become effective after the SEC completes its review. And this could take months. Meanwhile, there were some conditions embedded in the draft that was not resolved by US Securities Exchange then. And I think you'd like to know about this condition. Then stay with me. It is very interesting. Okay, you see, according to a report, Coinbase in their draft proposed an offer not to sell any securities. Again, and I quote, "The offering will be subject to market condition and other consideration," end quote. And to inform you, this proposal then raised some unanswered questions. Meanwhile, I strongly recommend you to check my video on IPO titled "What is IPO? TikTok IPO versus Robinhood IPO." You will get a better understanding of how IPO works. You will see the clip at the end of this video. Okay, nonetheless, I will brief you on how IPO works. IPO stands for Initial Public Offerings, and it refers to the process of offering share of a private corporation to the public. When the stock of a company gets listed on the stock exchange for the very first time. An IPO is a big step for a company as it provides the company with access to raising a lot of money. This gives the company a greater ability to grow and expand. And the company paperwork, financial status like income statement, balance sheet, etc. become available to the public. And to inform you, company often use the services of an underwriter who facilitates the IPO process, who then charge a commission for their work. You probably want to ask me where I'm going with all this, and then stay with me. You see, the process of direct listing eliminates the middleman like the underwriter and allows the company to sell shares directly to the public. Okay, listen to the big reasons why Coinbase prefer the direct listing options. According to Fortune magazine, if you like, Coinbase founder Fred said earlier that the company, quote unquote, spiritually built to go public through an offering that involves, and I quote again, digital token on a blockchain, end quote. However, since it's uncertain whether the SEC will allow that, and shortly afterwards, it appears certain that SEC will not subscribe or approve Coinbase proposal. Therefore, another option will be for Coinbase to pursue a direct listing that will allow the company to sell shares directly to the public. And so they did. Voila. And if you ask me, the key word or bone of contention here is that Coinbase wants to go public through an offering that involves digital token on a blockchain and not fiat money. Okay, the big question of the day is how do you benefit from all this? I mean, as an investor. Well, if you have watched my previous videos, you will realize that I'm very skeptical about IPO. Please, this is my opinion. Well, in the case of Coinbase, I may consider it because of these metrics. The company has a business mode. Well, what is it? A broker involved in cryptocurrency, the future digital currency. Though there are competitors out there, so far they are ahead of others. And then the recent competitive advantage. And I think you would like to know it. Okay, stay with me. Coinbase has introduced a new Visa debit card called the Coinbase Card in October, opening a waiting list, according to a report. The card will be designed to enable users to use Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies to pay for items. And users can convert the cryptocurrency into cash at ATMs. This is brilliant. And according to the report, the Coinbase Card would handle all the conversion itself, switching out the crypto of the user's choice with US dollar before completing any purchase or withdrawal. Wow. In my opinion, the present Coinbase management is very proactive by initiating this strategy, which I consider a very effective management strategy. Well, given this development, I may buy into Coinbase direct listing. Please do your research. This is just my opinion. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.